Well, if you like today, you're going to like the next several days. Cloudy, breezy, and warm. Few intervals of sunshine. Temperatures at night, lower 70s, highs lower 80s. The weekend looking mostly dry, but the risk of showers and a few storms getting back into the forecast. It looks like later Sunday night and going certainly into next week. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at the setup here. We have a high pressure ridge that was over by Mexico. Now it's over in the central Gulf and moving eastward. And eventually this conduit of moisture and disturbances riding in that moisture will be moving eastward into our region. But for the next several days, severe weather threats will continue from Texas on northeastward. And when we have that severe weather off to our north, that's when we have the windy conditions. And that's what we saw today and going to see more of as we move forward. This low pressure system right here producing the threat of winter weather, winter storm warnings for portions of New Mexico on into Colorado. And then we have showers. And this is the area that we'll be watching as we head into the evening and nighttime hours, where we do think some severe weather will bust out, mainly severe storms that will produce damaging winds, hail. But that's going to stay north and west of us. We're going to continue to have the breezy southerly winds feeding into the area. So there you see some showers and storms developing through daybreak tomorrow, and then watch how activity reinitiates over the same areas over the next several days. So water will be coming down the Red River as well on top of what we're getting down the Mississippi. So we'll watch that. Another mild one as we head into your Sunday morning. Temperatures in the lower 70s. This is late tomorrow night. Now Sunday morning at 7 a.m. Sunrise services mostly cloudy. Lots of thick cloud cover. Maybe some mist in those clouds, but overall, if it's outdoor activities, we shouldn't see significant shower activity, but there might be some misty drizzle right around sunrise on your Sunday morning. And then as we head into Sunday afternoon, breezy and warm temperatures, again pushing into the low to mid 80s. And again, morning clouds, some afternoon sun, but again, mostly cloudy skies dominating. Then as we head into Monday, we're starting to see the showers and storms getting a little bit closer to us, a little bit more energy coming out of the Gulf. So we should see at least scattered activity developing on Monday. Better rain chances beyond that. Severe weather threat through tonight. You can see it's from northeast Texas on up through the Great Lakes. Then as we get into tomorrow, pretty much the same areas across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas into southern Missouri. And then more as we head into Easter Sunday from the northern part of the state with an enhanced risk for portions of Missouri. But again, we're not expecting severe weather here, although we do have a marginal risk for the extreme northwestern sections of the KATC viewing area. We'll watch the radar trends, but we're not concerned with most of Acadiana for showers and storms this weekend. So the wind stays with us, gusting 25 to 20 to 25 at least. The model is going for 30. Hard to buy, but with the nighttime inversion trying to develop and we get what's called the thermal internal boundary layer going, we could see some breezier conditions with less friction during the nighttime hours, but I think it's going to be in the 20-25 mile per hour range, occasionally gusting to 30 during the day and night, the way it's setting up right now. So the wind staying with us. And by the way, one of the windier Marches in April's on record because we've had all the severe weather north of us over the last several weeks. So it's been that type of spring. Temperatures lower 70s tonight, lower 80s for your high tomorrow. And again, limited by the amount of sunlight or lack of because of the cloud cover. If we get a little bit more extended sun, we'll have no problems getting into the mid 80s anytime this weekend. So lower 70s overnight tonight. We put the True View forecast in motion tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies. We have that high cloud deck and then the lower cloud deck. So it'll translate to mostly cloudy. But again, few intervals of sun, and it's going to be a breezy day as well. Gusty winds out of the south-southeast. Much the same for Easter Sunday. Rain chance 20% during the day, 40-50% at night into Monday. And then a pretty good chance of scattered storms through the middle part of next week, but nothing too serious. And if it all goes well, rain chances go down as we head toward Festival International and should be pretty low during the evening hours as well. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little later on.